Kylie Jenner and her daughter Stormi shared a matching model moment this week at the Coperni fashion show at Disneyland Paris. While giving a behind-the-scenes look at her runway return and raving over the experience on Instagram, the Kylie Cosmetics founder, 27, revealed that she and her 6-year-old daughter Stormi, whom she shares with Travis Scott, also participated in a photo shoot backstage where they took matching headshots. Standing in front of a white background, the mother-daughter duo both took close-up shots of their hair and makeup and one further back, showing off their outfits. The Kardashian star wore a black strapless gown with a form-fitting bodice and voluminous skirt. She paired the fairytale-inspired look with matching black gloves, pink eyeshadow, and a nude lip. Stormi rocked a more casual look of drawstring, dark-washed jeans, a white tank top and a beautiful, bare face. Jenner and Scott are also parents to son heir, too. The proud mom of 2 recently modeled with both her little ones for the cover of British Vogue published in August. While chatting with the outlet, Jenner opened up about her experience being in full mommy mode in my early 20s. Recalling her first pregnancy with Stormi, Jenner shared, "I was 19 when I got pregnant, 20 when I had her," adding that, "It was wild. Looking back at it, I give myself more empathy and grace," she explained. "But when I was a teenager, even my family were like, 'You aren't that young?' I think maybe I carried myself a certain way, or I'd already been working for 10 years. It didn't hit me straight away. But it was a huge life change. Now," Jenner said, "I have this daughter and I just want the best for her and I want her to just love herself unconditionally." She then revealed that it's her children that get her through each day. "No matter what I'm going through or what I look like or what the internet writes about me that day," she says, "I come home and my kids just love me unconditionally. They're just obsessed with me and that's taught me to walk through life a little easier. I'm like, okay, well I have these little humans at home that need me and love me and think I'm the most perfect person in the world, so I don't really need validation from outside sources."